In order to remove your old door threshold, open the door fully to give yourself space. Use a screwdriver or drill to remove any screws holding the old threshold in place. Carefully pry up the old threshold using a pry bar or flathead screwdriver. Be gentle to avoid damaging the surrounding floor or door frame. If the old threshold is sealed with caulk, you may need a utility knife to cut through it. Once the threshold is out, clean the area thoroughly. Remove old caulk, debris, or any rotted wood. Check for damage around the door sill. If you find any, repair it before installing the new threshold. Measure and cut the new threshold. Measure the width of your doorway to ensure your new threshold fits perfectly. If the threshold is too long, use a hacksaw to cut it to size. Test fit it in the doorway to make sure it sits flush and level. Adjust for height and fit. Some thresholds are adjustable or come with shims to help fit them snugly. If your new threshold doesn't sit evenly, use wood filler or shims to level it out. Install the new threshold. Once you're sure of the fit, apply a bead of caulk underneath the threshold for a watertight seal. Place the threshold in position and screw it down securely. Most thresholds come pre-drilled, but you may need to drill pilot holes if not. Make sure the door opens and closes smoothly over the new threshold. Seal. Apply caulk around the edges of the threshold, where it meets the floor and door frame, to prevent moisture and drafts from seeping in. Smooth the caulk with your finger or a caulk smoothing tool. Finally, check by opening and closing the door a few times to make sure everything works smoothly. Let the caulk dry according to the instructions, and you're done.